Hey guys, today's product review is the Perform Better First Place Mini Band. So the First Place Mini Band is a piece of equipment that I would say almost all of our therapists use for glute strengthening exercises is the big one. And so the reason they like to use this is it's a great way to attack your gluteus medius and kind of those muscles that are on the side of your hips. They're really inexpensive. Generally, you can get them for around less than $6 just about anywhere you go. Some complaints occasionally we get about the mini bands is that sometimes they do wear out, and they could wear out relatively quickly depending on how often you use them and what you use them for. Sometimes it is a little specific in terms of what muscle groups you can attack, and occasionally for the older patient that has mobility issues, or even for the younger patient that has mobility issues, sometimes they're harder to get on and they don't really adjust well because they're in one round loop. So for this one, I would really like to get the opinion of a physical therapist, so we're going to bring in one right now.
Hi, I'm Molly and I'm a physical therapist, and I use the mini bands with all of my patients. One of the great things about it is that I can use it from young to old to super conditioned to deconditioned. One of the great things about the mini bands is that we can use it for scapular strengthening or shoulder strengthening, as well as we can use it in your lower extremity to strengthen your hips. One of the great things about the mini bands is that you can progress your resistance as you get stronger and work through things. So yellow is the easiest, that's typically where we start out, and then as you get stronger, we progress you all the way up to black, which is the hardest resistance level. Also, the mini bands are great for cueing patients when they're learning to squat properly, making sure that they know where their knees and their legs are in relation to the rest of their body.
So what's the final verdict on the Perform Better First Place Mini Bands? Well, we're giving it a 5 stars for these reasons. First of all, for the cost, you can't beat it. For $3 to $10, pretty much wherever you go, you can get one or a few bands in different resistances. Anybody from the most deconditioned person to the highest level athlete can gain some kind of benefit. And the muscle groups that it helps strengthen, your scapular area or your shoulders, and then your hips, are going to be the two most important areas to strengthen to help make you feel the way you want to feel when you're going through your day-to-day activities and keep you comfortable and sturdy during your workouts.